Hello and welcome to LanguaLegacy. Every 2 weeks, a language dies. When that happens, we lose centuries of stories, culture, and human knowledge forever. Therefore, I built LanguaLegacy, a platform that's essentially the Wikipedia meets Duolingo for dying languages that uses and implements AI. It's a place where communities can document their endangered language before they disappear, and others can learn them to keep them alive. So let me show you exactly how it works. Let's just log in, continue with Google. This right here is the homepage. So it contains information about what I've done, what I can possibly do, and it also features some languages right here that I can learn more from. So let's go to contribute. So exactly how does a contributor contribute? So let's say I have knowledge about an endangered language, right? I want to input this inside of the database, this knowledge. One moment. Yeah. So based on this information, it tries to identify if it already has the knowledge inside of its database. It found the entry, but there's not a lot of information. So by giving it information, we're helping it, and it gives questions that it needs based on its knowledge gaps. So I can go back and forth answering these questions as a contributor and help the language stay alive. So after this knowledge is stored in the database, right? What do we do with it? We can go right here and we see all of these lessons, right, for this specific language. Basically, every single time that every single time when it has enough information about a language, it creates courses. So for example, I can go right here and learn stuff that I did not know previously about the endangered language. So definitely we can see that the lesson can definitely be improved upon, but this is just a baseline about where we can go going forward, essentially. We can also discover languages right here. So I can go over here, find out information about the language, what I can do, and I can also go to a preservation. So by using the power of Cascade, I can go to workspaces, I can open a workspace. And we see right here that I can go here. And let's say that we have a bunch of people who are interested in preserving this language, right? Based on this project, by using the power of Cascade, project planning, interaction, we can allow a lot of people to contribute to such projects of endangered language, help keep them alive, gather information that we did not know about previously about the endangered language, and so on. Aside from that, we also have the dashboard. So it just contains all the information about my progress, whether it be contributions, lessons, and so on. And finally, we have this, which is only available to me. Basically, it's an AI that gathers information about a lot of all the languages that it can. So, for example, if we ask it to find information about 50 languages, right? It'll try to find all the information it can for 50 languages. It's going to take a bit of time, a lot of time actually, but it tries to gain a lot of information, stores in the database, and if there's enough information, it creates courses based on that. And that is it for LanguaLegacy. Thank you for being here and listening, and thank you for your time.